Hey friends, it's Teresa here. Welcome back to my channel, and I hope you are having a great International Scrapbook Day this weekend. This is a process video that I am sharing with the Allison Pennington creative team using a collection that she collaborated with called Quirky. Her collaborative partner was designed by Soco, and I will have a link to the Quirky collection down below for you. Let's take a look at the elements that I've printed out here. I have my photo. I have a little speech bubble that I've used for my journaling. And then this wonderful title that says, "You make the world more colorful." And the Quirky collection is great for documenting those funny little moments that you capture in life, inevitably, when someone is being weird or neurodivergent, or just plain being silly, or having a good time. And Allison does these kinds of collections with such flair. These are the embellishments that we'll be discussing here as I add them to the background. The background, as you can see, is the grid to which I've added several of the mixed media elements. I have recolored the dot elements to suit the layout and bring in more of those colors. I also added a strip of paper, 2 strips of paper across the top and the stitching. And then I have the title, of course, I've shown you already, some word strips, these adorable little origami stars. We're going to add dimension to those. And there's a couple of rainbows in this collection, and then these fabulous rolly eyes that if you don't get this collection for anything else, you need to get it for these silly rolly eyes because they are just classic. So the first thing I'm going to do here is working with these origami stars. I'm going to fold the stars along the lines that are already on the stars themselves. And I'm folding them in and out to mimic what an origami star would be shaped like dimensionally. And that's just, a version of bending up your edges or whatever. And then I'm going to add some pop dots to the back of them. Another thing I want to do is add the rainbow behind the star here on the left hand side, and just creating some dimension and some layers there and having it look sort of like the rainbow is coming out of the star. And then the pop dot, of course, brings that star to you, closer to you visually on the page, which is some of what I am attempting to do in my hybrid layouts, which is create layers and create that depth of dimension so that the layout draws you in as the viewer. So this fabulous title, you'll notice how some of the words cut in the silhouette as a group, and some of them cut individually. And that's great. It suits the purpose perfectly here because I wanted that title to occupy the negative space or the white space in the photo. And so the photo, by the way, is from the archive. It's from 2016 when our kids were playing indoor soccer. And I'm not really documenting the indoor soccer part. What I am documenting is Nick sticking out his tongue. Notice here where I'm putting the little googly eyes there right on top of the ticket right underneath the star, and it also looks like the eyes are looking over at these kids. Now, Nick is standing there with Addison and Asher, sticking his tongue out, and so the journaling is about how he was the reason why I started doing silly pictures first, and then let's do a posed picture so that they could get the sillies out before we took a serious picture. But these candid, silly photos also make for great layouts, especially paired with a collection like this, because the word sentiments and the word strips and the title, they all just go together to tell the story about how he's the reason why I take photos of the kids the way I do. We still do it, by the way. They still create funny little poses and things when I ask them to take photos. And that's cool. We laugh about it, take the pictures, and then we move on and create great layouts. Thank you so much for watching today. Again, I'll have links down below to the Quirky collection. And as always, I'll see you back here again real soon. Bye-bye.